Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Crypto Guy. Today we are going to talk about some Bitcoin technical analysis and Ethereum as well, and where the price is going in a moment, and also some crypto news. And thank you for everyone who is subscribing, liking my video. So first of all, we are going to talk about Bitcoin technical analysis. Here is 1 day chart. You can see it's Bitcoin US dollar 1 day Coinbase chart, and I made my previous video here on 28th of September, and I told you the bearish and bullish target of Bitcoin. And that video I told that there is a possibility of Bitcoin going up to 850 US dollar, and that's what happened. That's met my bullish target. And after that I also thought that it can fall down because we are having facing a very strong resistance here. You can see there, and this is the line I have drawn for the resistance. So this is the level we have to watch. It's 10,850 US dollar. And I also told you about swing trade, that when it come here you should stop your trade and take profit, and here you can make a short position. And that's what actually happened. And now it's coming back and sitting on 20 EMA, and now we are in no man's zone. It can go up, it can go down. And I will say again that now my bullish target at the moment is, the price is 10,707, and the price can rise until 10,850 50 something. And there we have to see that if it's going up or going down. But if we are making a leverage trade, we can just make a stop loss here and take profit here. And if the bearish target, you can see it here, it can fall down until 10,500, which is a sweet spot for Bitcoin. So these are the two price target which we have to look for. As you can see that MACD is almost like neutral. It can turn green, it can turn down and turn into red. RSI is a neutral zone. We can see some more technical analysis here, like buying oscillators is neutral at the moment. Somebody is buying because people are buying the dips, and this is very important. This is very good for Bitcoin at the moment. Moving average is also indicating buy. So we are sitting on a very strong support line here, which is 20 weekly moving average, and the resistance on the top is at the moment is 10,850. Okay, so here we have Ethereum USD chart, and we're going to talk about some technical analysis and the price where it's going at the moment. And this is 1 day chart, and here you can see that price is moving sideways at the moment. It is just moving between these two lines, which is 50 weekly moving average and 100 weekly moving average, and the price is just going there, and it's not able to decide should it break up or should it break down. We can also go and check on 4-hour chart, and I remember that I made my video on 28th. It was here, and at that time I told that my target was about 360, and that's where this EMA line here, and actually it's met the target. And from there, if you have been long from 20 weekly average, you have definitely made some 2 to 3% profit gain, which is very sweet. Here you can see that is about 1.5% gain. So if you're having this leverage trading, definitely you have make some nice profit. And from there you can easily put a short trade, which I have done personally in my famous account, and my reference is in the link below. Please use my referral to support the channel, and I make this short trade. And from there I came until here and take the profit here, because this 20 weekly moving average is a very strong support. But there is a one bearish now news and indicator for Ethereum, that we are falling below from this 20 weekly moving average, and now we are just trying to break it. Now this support turns into resistance. Here you can say that this was a support, and now we break this support and we have under it. This is a little bit bearish for Ethereum, so we have to closely watch this point of price, that it's about 355 356 US dollar. So if we break up, it's become bullish for Ethereum, so we have to keep a close eye on this point. MACD is bearish at the moment. It can fall down, and it can fall down even more, and RSI is neutral, so we have to wait and see where the Ethereum moves. If it's break from this 20 weekly moving average, you should put a long position, and we can put a take profit here under 359. So be safe and make some Okay guys, now we can talk about some crypto news, and this is the one of the news which I like to share about you. Maybe many of you guys know about Da Vinci 15. He have a YouTube channel and it has been totally deleted from YouTube. I mean, it's just not a strike, it has been deleted, and it's, I don't know what to say about YouTube, that you have to be very careful. You can see his Twitter account, that you can see that I'm not even able to sign in to YouTube at all. My subscription and premium subscription for $10 a month all goes, and this is the error he's getting it. I think we should support him because he is our YouTube follower, and that's the only one reply he have got from the YouTube. Thank you for your account suspension appeal. We have decided to keep your account suspended based on our community guidelines and terms of services. So I think we should be careful about that. But I think he was one of the Bitcoin YouTube influencer which have been in the market from 2011. So now we can move to our next Bitcoin news. As I told you guys that bull targets are 11,500k, and the bear target, the first bear target which I told you about, is 10,500, which is a sweet spot for Bitcoin. We have to keep an eye on that, and even if we break that target, we gonna fell down to 9.8k. I mean, this is 10,000, below 10,000 mark. So if you are buying Bitcoin, I think this is a good time to accumulate and stack BTC, because definitely I think there would be a rebound from 9.8 and 10,500 mark. Second news I can would like to share about that DeFi tokens fall flat as Bitcoin price consolidates. So you have to very careful by buying this DeFi coins, because definitely you can make a lot of money in second, and you can also lose a lot of money in second. So be careful about that. That's why I'm not talking about any DeFi coin at the moment, because everything is down and you have to be very careful before you want to put it on the channel. So I think this is all for today. So please like and subscribe my video, and tell me what kind of videos you like to hear from my side. DeFi, altcoins, Bitcoin technical analysis, some trading on Binance, how to put a spot trade, leverage trade. Even on Phoenix, I can make a tutorial on that, how to make a Phoenix account and everything, and also Coinbase Pro. So until that, take care.